Eh, tabarnak! Il est sur le top.
Ah,
Non, non, ça vient de se faire là.
on l'a vu!
Là.
Tu l'as vu?
Moi, je l'ai pas vu, j'ai juste vu la finale.
Comment t'as...
A very well thought of circuit judge on the Federal Court of Appeals, one level below the U.S. Supreme Court, who's occurs in the New Jersey.
Well, I've said this because I've done the Celebrity Apprentice. And
you kidding me, asshole?
Well, first things first. Yeah, maybe you want to say Daddy's money. You want to say Daddy was a real estate mogul. I'll put this question to you.
Want me to call you an ambulance?
Sí, no, mi bebé está bien también. Tengo un bebé pequeño.
Ma'am, would you like me to call you an ambulance?
Sorry, where were you parked again? Like,
Across, right outside Public Gardens.
what did he do?
She fucking hit me.
Holy shit. Where was she going? Oh, she's pulling over, right?
She just didn't look. She better be pulling over.
She just pulled right into you?
Yeah, she did.
People in my family started rimming them with Old Bay.
Their beers?
Yeah.
And?
It tastes like you're drinking beer with Old Bay. Like, I don't think it's really that good. They're just kind of obsessed with it because they're all still in Maryland.
Okay.
But it kind of makes me think of this guy. Like, did somebody tell him to do this trick and now he thinks?
So should we put sugar, salt, any kind of season? Just don't rim your beer. I know that sounds ridiculous. No man should rim his beer.
I don't think any man should.
Except for the Viper. And the Hellcat.
They literally do not build anything good, I promise you that. It may appear good on the outside, but oh my gosh, it's a fucking
cool,
piece of shit.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh my god!
Holy fucking shit. We need to get out.
Slow down.
Holy fuck.
Where are they coming from?
I don't know.
Ah.
Oh shit! Yeah, Yep, we got hit. We got hit. We just got hit. Damn it.
Shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
I'm a road user. I'm supposed to be in the road.
I'm on the road user too.
Then go around me. Go around me.
If you're in my way, I'm gonna fucking run up your fucking asshole.
Have some respect. What fucking sidewalk, doofus? 32286D. I got on camera.